This video is for you if your AirPods aren't connecting, there's no sound playing, or there's audio coming from the wrong device. We'll walk you through a few quick fixes, including Bluetooth checks, audio output settings, and resetting your AirPods. Start by opening Settings, then Bluetooth, and make sure your Bluetooth is on. Find your AirPods in the device list and tap them to reconnect. If your AirPods are connected but you don't hear any sound, audio may still be playing from another device. Open Control Center, find the audio panel, and tap the AirPlay button. Select your AirPods from the list, then play audio and make sure your volume is turned up. If your AirPods don't appear or still won't connect, move on to the next step. Put your AirPods in the case and close the lid for 15 to 30 seconds. Then open the lid and reset them. For newer models, double tap the front of the case until the light flashes white. For all other models, press and hold the setup button on the back until the light flashes white. With the lid open, hold the case near your device and reconnect. If you're still having trouble, try these quick fixes: toggling Bluetooth off and back on again, restarting your iPhone, which we've made a video on before if you want to check that out. Try plugging in your AirPods again and charging them up, and checking to see if you need to update your device to the latest version of iOS. If you need help connecting your AirPods from scratch, check out our pairing video next.